Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make our toolbar visible after we take a screenshot in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this option and how to enable our toolbar visibility. We need to go to settings, of course. In settings we have advanced features here, and we are looking for screenshots and screen recorder menu here. At the top we have our screenshot options. Show toolbar after capturing. We are interested in this one. And now our toolbar will be visible after we take a screenshot. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.